As one of the local representatives of Bhoi and local MLA of Nongpoh constituency, Meral Bonsim, on Saturday expressed his deep sorrow over the frequent power cut at Bhoi district, which has affected the livelihoods of the people in his district. Speaking to the media, CM said that as the local representative from Bhoi, he is deeply saddened by the increasing power outages. He also said that he would like to thank the state government for listening to the demands of the people, for bringing in the 132 kilowatt power station in Nongpoh, which cost Rs 78 crore. It is hoped that the installation of this power station will alleviate the problems of the people affected by the power outages from time to time.
Dokumen bagi ai kublai ya ka sokar di balala ban ni osngo ya jengkut jengnam jeng di ba jeng ka them Bhoi bat kan Nongpoh in particular ya ka ba kilas ngap ban sanction ya kan ya 132 kV ke jeng penmang ka ba omdona ya kan nyo pukra klur ye ka dong jeng penmang ka bala ban sanction na ka wan sa set up no hang ni po Nongpoh hi ya kan ya ka station substation na ka benta ba nang khamla ban pen poi ke boarding ka babit biang sha ki ba